How to find your Discord account token. So if you want to find your Discord account token, then first you just need to open up a browser, or you can also go with your application. If you have your Discord application, open up your application, or go with your browser and search for discord.com and make sure to log into your account. Once you've logged in, now under your browser, you just need to go for the upper right, which has that three dots icon, and you can go for more tools. Under more tools, you can go for developer options. Under developer options, make sure you're under the application option. Under application, you need to go for the storage and you need to go for local storage. Under local storage, go for the discord.com. Under discord.com, here you will have the search. Under search, you need to search for token. So if you have any tokens, you will have all of the tokens right here. So you just need to simply click on any one of the token, and then if you scroll down, you will have the token value on the bottom of your screen. So that's how you can find your Discord account token, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.